Have you ever wondered what happens when the moon moves in front of the sun? And is it possible? Well, yes, it is, and it's called a solar eclipse. So before we dive into what a solar eclipse is, I would appreciate it if you enjoy my content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. So let's get into it. So a solar eclipse happens when the moon moves in between the Earth and the sun. It has to be like a perfect alignment between the moon, Earth, and sun, with the moon in the middle. As a result, the sun is blocked out in the sky, at least partially or totally. So a partial eclipse happens when the moon is only able to block out part of the sky of the sun, so the alignment isn't perfect. So how this happens? So that's the least extreme type of solar eclipse, but it's the one that you are most likely to see because it covers the most area on the Earth's surface. In other words, that's the area that the moon's shadow covers the most. The second type of eclipse is an annular eclipse. Basically, it's when the moon is too far from Earth. The alignment is perfect, but the moon is too far from Earth to cover out the sun completely. As a result of this, the sun appears as a ring of fire in the sky. Think of that, ring of fire. Sounds cool, doesn't it? So that's the second type. The third type is the alignment is perfect, and the moon is close enough to Earth that it obstructs the entire sun. So in the sky. As a result, the sky darkens, and you see like this horizon glow around you, as if like twilight, but 360 degrees around you, and you can even see the solar corona. That sounds cool as well. The fourth type is weird. It's when the alignment is perfect, and the moon is at just the right distance that the curvature of the Earth will cause the beginning and end of the shadow's path to be annular, but the middle of the path is total, which is, I personally think that's really weird, because that would mean that all three main types of a solar eclipse are literally happening in one eclipse. So that type is called a hybrid eclipse. A hybrid eclipse, because it's a hybrid between a total and an annular eclipse. Now, the shadow of a total and annular eclipse is super small, because the Earth is far enough away from the moon that the shadow gets really thin. As a result, during most total and annular eclipses, the full eclipse only lasts for a few minutes, and the shadow is only a few dozen miles wide. That's why most people consider themselves really lucky to get in the path of a total or annular eclipse. So why am I filming this video today? Well, in Europe and Asia, there is an annular solar eclipse that is happening around midnight my time, but it's going to be during the day in Africa, Europe, and Asia. So basically, the path of the annular solar eclipse is going to cross through many populated countries like India and China, and the partial solar eclipse will be visible throughout most of Africa and Asia, the two most populated countries on the planet. So this is something that a lot of people are going to be seeing. And so, as you might expect, this is an event that's going to draw a lot of attention. So that's why I'm filming it now. Then there's literally supposed to be an eclipse tonight, our time, but of course in the daytime over there. Why do I keep saying this? So the second reason why is that this video is a precursor to another video that I'm going to be doing tomorrow. This video is an epic show review. A review of an entire TV show that I just finished watching. So, I won't tell you what the TV show is right now, but I'll give you 2 hints. 1, a solar eclipse is in it. And 2, it's one of the most popular shows on Netflix right now. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. So, because, or maybe not, because I want it to be a surprise. So, yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed my solar eclipse video. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit the notification button to stay tuned for all future videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.